Welcome to our tutorial on how to log out of Facebook on all devices using your Android device. Let's walk through the step-by-step process. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the settings icon within the menu. Scroll down and tap on Account Center. From there, tap on Password and Security. Select where you're logged in to view the devices where your account is active. Tap on Select Devices to log out. To log out of all devices, tap on Select All. Finally, tap on Log Out at the bottom of the screen and confirm your action to log out of Facebook on all devices. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Facebook account is securely logged out of all devices, providing you with control and security over your account access. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide assists you in logging out of Facebook on all devices. Take proactive steps to safeguard your account and privacy by managing your active sessions effectively. Start ensuring the security of your Facebook account today.